All right guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday. It's gonna be a short video today. We have a Sigma 400mm f5.6 lens, which when put on a Canon crop sensor becomes a 640mm lens. But the first thing I wanna show you is how to put it on the tripod and on the camera. Don't just take off your lens caps and your camera caps and just put it straight on there. It's too heavy to set right onto the camera. So what you wanna do is you want to take this part right here, screw that. You want to screw this right onto the tripod because you don't want that weight hanging off the end of your lens because you can damage your lens. So we'll mount that to the tripod. So now that's mounted to the tripod. So there we go. So you want to take this, mount it onto the tripod so it's not hanging off the end of your lens. So now you move it like this. You don't want the weight just hanging off the end of your lens. It's too heavy. So then you can move it just like this right here. So then anything you need to change, you're good to go. You can just open the back, point through and shoot. Like I said, this is a 400 f6, but when put on a Canon crop sensor like the 70D, it becomes a 640mm zoom. So it's a heck of a zoom. So I'll get one shot here. I'll do some comparisons later in the week for you guys to show you how big of a zoom it is. So we'll have that comparison later in the week, but I just wanted to show you how to put this lens on your camera without damaging your camera. So do not mount it straight onto the camera and carry it like that. You'll damage your camera. So put the lens onto the tripod and then mount your camera. So there you go guys, hope we're helping you out. If we are, give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks.